Hello. Mm.
Hello, my good people. Welcome once again to your favorite channel, Ready Foods, a channel of amazing recipe, African traditional recipe, modern travel and event. So, guys, if you're new in this channel, please feel welcome, feel appreciated. Thank you for choosing Ready Foods. Kindly view my videos, like, share, and subscribe. Remember also to rate my videos, guys, so that I can see areas of improving in this channel. So my people, today I'm back with this recipe. Last time I did a recipe, a sun-dried beef called ALIYA. It's a traditional food and I did it the traditional way. So guys, this time round, I'm going to do the same recipe, but now I'm going to do it the modern way. So remember I did ALIYA and served it with brown ugali and the traditional vegetable. That's how we normally do it, except that I boil them using a saucepan, not a pot. Traditionally, they do it with a pot. So, guys, today I'm doing the same one, but now the same recipe, but now I'm going to do it the modern way. I'm going to serve it with kales or colored green and ugali. So cook with me, watch this video, and kindly comment. See which one. Comment on the one that you love most, and try it out. So guys, for those who might not know what this alia is, this is beef. This is it here. This is beef that has been sun-dried for about a week or so. Some people maybe a month and all that. So some people prefer sun drying, some people prefer smoking, but the best one is the one which is sun dried. So this is what I'm going to make, and for those who requested to do it the modern way, this video is for modern way. So what we do normally first, we have to soak it in hot water, guys, because it's very dry. So we have to soak it at least to become a little bit tender, and then also to remove the dust that could be by the time that the process of sun drying it, because it's normally sun dried outside on the sun. So guys, ensure that you wash it thoroughly, and also to repeatedly, like even 2 to 3 times. So now after washing with hot water, now you can properly rinse it with cold water as you brush to ensure that every part of it is very clean. Guys, remember there's a lot, they are exposed to dust, so this is what I'm doing. I'm clearing it up with the cold water. Then now after this we are going to boil it for 2 hours, not more, less than 2 hours, because until it gets smooth and very, soft and very tender. After 2 hours, now we are going to fry it. So here I've placed my pan. And remember guys, now the difference between these are the ingredients. Remember, in the traditional one we were using ghee to use to cook it, and now this time we are going to use cooking oil. At the same time, in traditional one we used spring onions, and here we are using red onions. So the ingredients are different. And then also here we are going to blend our tomatoes, while on the other one we just use live tomatoes. Again here we are going to use tomato paste, and the other side we only use tomatoes, and then generally we use salt. So this is what makes this recipe different. So kindly watch them out and compare and tell me which one is the best for you. Another difference here guys, we have used spices. You can use any spice of your own choice. So in generally we just do it the way you do any other normal beef. And traditional one we also used milk. So that is the differences. So you can choose, tell me which one looks tasty, more tasty or delicious than the other. So guys, this is my ALIYA now. So this is another pan I'm going to use. I've just put oil. I'm going to use it to blanch some collard green. Remember the other meal I served it with traditional vegetables. So here I'm going to do skuma wiki for my recipe today. I have my red onions there. So I've already cut my skuma wiki or my collard green, and this is now what I'm going to prepare. So stay tuned. Steaming my skuma wiki, I'm going to prepare some white ugali for this recipe. So just warming my ALIYA, ready to serve. Now serving guys, look at the stew, look at the difference now. Wow, so I'm here now guys. Kindly compare and comment and tell me which one you would go for. Thank you so much for watching this video. Then let's meet on another video. Bye bye.